In this video, we will discuss on how to integrate exponential function and reciprocal function. So, for exponential function, we have two different types. First one, when we have exponent as our base. So, if we want to integrate e to the power of x, our rule would be copy back the function, so e to the power of x divided by derivative of our power. So, kalau kita differentiate x, we get 1. And then ln base. So here ln e plus c. If we simplify this up, we basically get e to the power of x back as our final answer. Okay, how about if we have a linear function as our power, e to the power of ax plus b. So following the same rule, first step, copy back the function, e to the power of ax plus b, divided by, second step, differentiate our power. So ax plus b, if we differentiate, we get a, and then ln base. So here ln e can be simplified as 1. So final answer, e to the power of ax plus b over a plus c. And that's basically how you integrate exponential function involving exponent as our base. How about if we have a constant as our base? A here stands for any constant. So if we have a to the power of x, so following the same step, we have three main steps. First step, copy back the function. So we have a to the power of x divided by derivative of our power. So differentiate x, we get 1. Ln base here, ln a. So ln a stay as it is because we cannot simplify it more. So final answer, a to the power of x over ln a plus c. Okay. How about if we have constant to the power of linear function mx plus n? So the integrate of it would be copy back the function a to the power of mx plus n divided by differentiate our power. So we get m here and then ln base. So ln a plus c. So that would be the integral of exponential function involving constant as our base. Nak lebih faham, kita terus jawab example. Okay. So first one, if we have exponent to the power of 2x. Ingat step tadi? 3 main step je. First step, copy back the function. So e to the power of 2x. Divide by. Second step, differentiate the power. So derivative of 2x would be 2. And then ln base. Ln e tu tak tulis pun tak apa. Saya tunjuk je mesti tulis so that we can simplify it more. So final answer we get e to the power of 2x over 2 plus c. Okay, second one, we have a linear function. So integral of e to the power of 4x plus 1. Remember, three main steps. First step, copy back the function. Divide by. Second step, derivative of our power. So we have 4 ln base, ln e. So basically our final answer here would be e to the power of 4x plus 1 over 4 plus c. Okay, how about if we have a constant at the front? For example, c, 4 times e to the power of 5 minus 3x dx. Okay, so ikut basic rule, 4 is basically a constant. You can bring it outside of your integral. Dia tak usi apa-apa kat situ. Dia duduk diam-diam. So, integrate exponent, we would get e to the power of 5 minus 3x. Copy, jangan lupa. Differentiate our power. Here we would get negative 3 ln base plus c. If we simplify it more, our final answer will be 4 e to the power of 5 minus 3x over negative 3. Negative saya letak kat depan terus. Plus c. Okay, last one. D, we have 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Yang ni base kita, base constant. Okay. So what do we do here? Copy back the function. So 3, 1 minus x. Divide by derivative of our power. Here we get negative 1 ln base. So ln 3 here. Careful, ln 3 tak boleh gerak dah. So our final answer will be negative 3 1 minus x over ln 3 plus c. And that's how you integrate exponential function. So moving on to the last one. So moving on to the last part, we want to integrate reciprocal function. Apa maksud reciprocal? When we have -1, exactly -1 as our power. So integral of 1 over x dx would be ln of x. So ln mesti ada modulus of x plus c. Yang ni special case, you must remember. Kenapa benda ni tak boleh pakai rule yang biasa? Okay, tadi kita cakap kan kalau dalam basic rule, you can apply that except when we have -1 as our power. Kenapa? Kita baru nak tunjuk sekarang ni. Let's say lah kalau saya nak apply basic rule. So, x to the power of -1 . Kalau kita follow the same rule, kita akan dapat -1 plus 1 over -1 plus 1. So, kalau kita simplify, we get x to the power of 0 over 0. Dia dah jadi undefined answer because we have 0 as our denominator. Dah tak logik kat situ. Sebab itulah bila kuasa melibatkan -1, tak boleh pakai basic rule. You have to remember this special case. You will get ln as our final answer. Okay, itu kalau 1 over x. If we have 1 over ax plus b, linear kat bawah tu. Okay, so what happened here? You still get ln. So open a modulus, copy back the function. So we have ln of ax plus b. But we have to divide by a. Mana datang a? You have to differentiate what's inside the bracket plus c. Kita terus buat example lah, lagi senang nak faham. Okay. So, first one, we have 1 over 2x dx. Alright. So, for this question, we have two options. Saya tunjuk dua-dua lah jalan kerja. Option number 1, obviously kita nampak kat situ ada constant half. So, you can bring half outside of the integral. Macam tu, kita asingkan dia. Okay, then we start integrate the function. So half stay as it is. 1 over x is basically ln of x plus c. Okay, ini boleh as option number 1. Okay, option number 2. Kita tak nak bawa keluar half tu. Kita nak terus je integrate. Boleh juga, tak ada masalah. Maksudnya stay as it is lah. So what we get here would be ln of 2x. Ingat, kita copy back. Tapi kita mesti differentiate apa yang ada dalam modulus. So we have to divide by 2 plus c. Itu beza dia. Nampak macam sama tapi ada berbeza sikit. Tapi dua-dua jawapan ni betul. Tak ada masalah langsung. Okay. Second one, we have integral of 1 over 3x plus 1 dx. So, if we follow the same rule, now we will get ln of, ingat mesti letak modulus, 3x plus 1. And then don't forget to differentiate what's inside the modulus. So, 3x plus 1, if we differentiate, we get 3 plus c. Siap lah, senang sangat kan? Okay. Last one, we have integral of 3 over 1 minus 2x dx. 3 kat atas tu jangan risau. It's just a constant. Kalau rasa nak confuse, bawa keluar. Biar dia duduk kat luar, diam-diam kat situ. So basically now we will get 3 ln of 1 minus 2x. And then don't forget, you have to differentiate what's inside the modulus. So we get -2 here plus c. And that's basically how you integrate reciprocal function.